In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Volvo V60 key fob. This is a very quick and easy process. It'll just take you a couple of minutes, and the only things that you will need are a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2430 battery. You can get these batteries online. They're pretty cheap. If you're interested, go check out that first link in the description, which will take you over to Amazon where you can find those batteries for a great price. Now, the first step here is to flip over the key fob, find this switch on the back, and you're just going to hold that down and remove the internal key. And now using your flathead screwdriver, looking with the back facing up, we're going to go in that keyhole and just gently push up. As you can see, this back piece of plastic is starting to come off, and we have enough space to now just come over here and work that out. And when you're in here, you don't want to push too hard. You want to make sure you're kind of in the sweet spot. You can test by just pushing a little bit, but if you apply too much pressure, you could end up damaging your key fob. So just go gently and find that spot. You can also do this with the key. It's just a little bit more tricky to find where you need to do it. Better to just use the flathead, because we're going to use that in the next step anyway. So pull this open. Here we have our battery, and the best thing to do is just come in on this corner here and gently pry the battery out of place. And when you're putting in your new 2430 battery, make sure that the positive side that has this plus sign on it is facing down, and you just simply click it into place. And now we can just reattach. As you can see, there's this metal component there that's going to go right on the battery. So not like that, just like this, and it will snap back together. And with that, you have a new battery in there that should last you for a very long time, and you are good to go. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another key fob, you can come back here to this channel and we will have you covered.